Welcome back, deep divers. Today we are diving headfirst into Conway, South Carolina.
Conway.
Yeah, Conway. It's got that riverfront charm, that historic downtown, and it's a hop, skip, and a jump from the beach. The market there, let me tell you, is hotter than a low country summer.
Really? I hadn't realized.
Oh yeah, big time. In fact, Conway's seen an 8.4% population increase
Whoa, in just the last year.
just last year. People are realizing what a gem this town is.
That's a huge jump.
It really is, and it's making for some really interesting opportunities in the real estate market. We're seeing new construction everywhere,
Oh, yeah. Where are you seeing it pop up?
all over, really.
Yeah.
But especially along Highway 501 near Conway High School.
I bet Coastal Carolina University has something to do with that, too.
Absolutely. That youthful energy is drawing in a lot of buyers.
Makes sense. But that kind of rapid growth can be tough on homeowners trying to sell.
Yeah, for sure.
Think about it. Traditional sales, they can drag on forever, months. And with all the fixing up, the
Yeah.
staging, the agent fees, it gets pricey fast.
Yeah, no kidding. And that's where, sellthathousetome.com comes in. We offer a way for homeowners to, sell fast and easy.
No hassle.
Exactly. No hassle at all.
If you're in Conway and you're feeling like the heat of this hot market,
Yeah.
head over to sellthathousetome.com. You can get a cash offer in just 24 hours, no obligation.
We buy houses as is, no repairs needed.
Yeah.
But, let's talk a little bit more about Conway. What makes it so special? Because it's more than just numbers, right?
Oh, for sure. Conway has that classic Southern charm.
Right.
The Riverwalk, the historic downtown, the shops and the restaurants.
It's a vibe.
It is. And you're a stone's throw from Myrtle Beach.
Yeah.
Best of both worlds, really.
You really do get the best of both worlds there. We actually spoke with a homeowner, Sarah, who lives near Conway High. She was going through a divorce and needed to sell her house quickly. She told us that the traditional route felt like just way too much, especially with all the repairs the house needed. So sellthathousetome.com was able to step in, give her a cash offer, and really take that burden off her shoulders.
We hear stories like Sarah's all the time, and that's what makes what we do at sellthathousetome.com so rewarding. We're helping people in all sorts of situations, people who need to sell their house quickly, without all the stress.
Absolutely. We also worked with a homeowner, Mike, who lived over by Highway 501. He got a dream job offer out of state, but he needed to move in a matter of weeks.
Whoa.
Yeah, so a traditional sale just wasn't possible. We were able
Yeah.
to buy his house quickly and allow him to, smoothly transition to his new life.
I can see how these stories really highlight the need for another option.
Oh, absolutely.
When time is of the essence,
Yeah.
traditional sales just don't cut it.
And it's not even just the speed. We hear from homeowners all the time who are just tired of all the uncertainty,
Oh, yeah.
the endless showings, the negotiations, the fear that the buyer's financing will fall through as a last minute.
Ugh, stressful.
Oh, it's so stressful.
It can really drain you.
Yeah. And with sellthathousetome.com, you skip all of that. We make you a fair cash offer up front. We close in as little as a week. It's about peace of mind.
Absolutely. Giving homeowners control.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's why if you're in Conway and you're even thinking of selling, visit sellthathousetome.com, get a cash offer. It's free, no obligation, and it really might be the solution you're looking for.
It might be. One of the things we hear a lot from homeowners is, they're worried about repairs.
Oh, yeah.
They think they have to fix everything up before they can even think about selling.
Makes sense. In a traditional sale, you're kind of at the mercy of the buyer's inspection.
Exactly. And it feels like, you're just constantly fixing things just to get to closing.
Oh.
But that's not how it works with sellthathousetome.com. We buy houses as is.
As is.
We don't care if the roof leaks or the kitchen's straight out of the 70s. We make a fair cash offer based on the condition it's in right now.
Yeah, that's a huge relief for people, especially if they're, facing financial issues or time crunches.
For sure.
They don't have to pour money into a house they're trying to get rid of.
It just takes the pressure off.
Yeah.
And that brings up another question we get a lot. How fast is this whole thing really?
Right.
People hear close in a week and I'm like,
Yeah, right.
Exactly. They're used to the traditional real estate game, which can take, forever.
Forever. But with sellthathousetome.com, it's truly that fast.
It really is.
You accept our offer, and we handle everything, all the paperwork, closing details, days. And we're not just talking about standard sales either. We work with people facing tougher situations, like foreclosure.
Right. We helped a homeowner over near Singleton Ridge Road, she had fallen behind on her mortgage payments. Oh, wow.
Yeah, facing foreclosure felt totally lost.
I bet.
We were able to buy her house fast, and she was able to avoid foreclosure and, get a fresh start.
That's what makes this so great.
It is.
It's not just about the houses. We're helping people,
Yeah.
through those tough transitions.
It's about choices.
Yes.
People shouldn't feel trapped by their circumstances or forced into a long, drawn-out sale. And speaking of choices, let's talk about the cash offer itself.
Yeah.
One concern we hear is it actually fair?
Right.
People think cash buyer must be a low-ball offer.
Right.
So it's important to understand that while our offers may be a little under market value, that reflects the speed and convenience we offer.
Exactly. We're transparent about how we come up with the valuation.
Right.
We look at comparable sales in the area. We factor in the property's condition. We don't just pull a number out of thin air.
Exactly. Plus, you're saving money on agent fees, closing costs, repairs.
Right.
When you add it all up, the cash offer can be very competitive.
Oh, yeah. And for a lot of people, that trade-off, it's worth it.
Absolutely.
A little less upfront, but so much faster, so much easier.
Yeah, especially in a market like Conway where prices are always changing.
Exactly.
So if you're in Conway, you're thinking about selling, go to sellthathouse2me.com. Get a cash offer.
It's free, no obligation.
You can see how it all works and how it could work for you.
Yeah. And it's interesting. We talk about this as a business transaction.
Yeah.
But it often feels like so much more.
Yeah.
We're connecting with people, at these crucial moments in their lives.
You really are. You're helping them move forward. Now, before we wrap up this deep dive into Conway, let's go back to something we touched on earlier.
Okay.
The appeal of Conway. It's not just about buying and selling houses. Right?
No. It's about living, building a life.
Yeah. And I think it's important for homeowners to remember that even if they're selling a piece of something special.
Definitely.
Conway is a place where people want to be.
Right.
And that's only going to grow. And we see that in the new developments popping up, right? The expansion of Coastal Carolina University, the downtown revitalization.
Right. Conway's on the up and up.
It is. It's a smart place to invest, even if you're not going to live there.
Makes sense.
And speaking of smart investments, how about that Riverwalk along the Waccamaw?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful. Perfect for outdoorsy types, families.
Definitely.
You can walk, bike, fish, or just relax and enjoy the view. And we can't forget the impact of Coastal Carolina University.
Yeah.
Brings a lot of young energy to the town, attracts businesses, professionals.
It does.
It's a great example of how Conway is evolving, but still keeping that small town charm.
Yeah.
Best of both worlds, laid-back lifestyle, but with all the stuff of a bigger city, just a short drive away.
Makes sense why people are choosing to make Conway home. And for those who are thinking of selling, it's a great time to do it.
It is. And that brings us back to sellthathouse2me.com. We offer a hassle-free way for homeowners to sell their homes fast. Move on to the next chapter, whether that's in Conway or somewhere new.
It's about providing those options, helping homeowners make the choices that are right for them.
And in a market like Conway's, those choices are more important than ever. All right, so we've covered a lot of ground here. Big picture, what's the takeaway for our listeners in Conway?
Conway's, well, it's booming, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's attracting folks, businesses, and it's holding on to what makes it unique. I bet we'll see those real estate values keep climbing.
Great news for homeowners. But what if you got to sell fast? Can't wait for the market to go even higher.
There's where sellthathouse2me.com comes in. Fast, fair, easy way to sell. Doesn't matter what condition the house is in.
We've talked to so many homeowners, and they're just stressed, overwhelmed with the whole traditional selling thing. Repairs, showings, months of just waiting and not knowing.
And with sellthathouse2me.com, they could skip all that. Get a cash offer in 24 hours, close in a week, boom, done. On to the next thing.
So if you're in Conway, you're thinking, got to sell this house fast.
Head over to sellthathouse2me.com.
Sellthathouse2me.com might be exactly what you're looking for.
Get that no-obligation cash offer. Ask any questions. We're here to help you through it all.
Conway's a great place, and we're glad to be a part of it. Whether you stay put or move on, good luck with your real estate journey.
And remember, if you need to sell quickly, easily, sellthathouse2me.com's always here to help.